Hey guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Streamlabs alerts so that they work while you're live on Twitch. It wasn't too long ago that I was having the same issue with Streamlabs OBS where my alerts were not popping up while I was live on Twitch. It was so frustrating for me, and I know how frustrating it is for you guys. So I'm making a tutorial to show you exactly how to fix that issue, that you guys can be successful in Twitch and finally get those alerts to work while you're live. Okay, so here we are in Streamlabs OBS, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to the lower left hand corner over here on this side where my cursor is, and you're going to select the second icon right here which says dashboard. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page right here. So just scroll down to about the middle where you see test follow, test subscription, and so. And you're going to look at your alerts right here. So when you first get Streamlabs, you start putting in your follows however you want it to display. And what's happened is you want to delete your variations, because what's happening is you're putting up your own alert, and what's happening is this is going to overtake your alert. So if there's something in here, you need to delete it. If not, your alert won't be showing up. For example, if I go over to bits right here and I hit test bits, you'll see that my actual image for bits is this right here, and it says wiggle bits sound is happening, and you're seeing this this image of Deadpool. But in reality, when you're live on your own Twitch, these are the variations that are actually going to show up. So if I click on this right here, edit, you'll see that this little triangle kind of diamond looking thing is going to be the default of my actual alert. So when I do the test follow, it's going to show what I actually put into that picture. But when I'm actually live on Twitch, this is the reality. This is what's going to actually show up instead of my actual picture and my sound and all that. So what you need to do is, if you don't want this kind of alert, you need to delete it, because what's happening is it's doing a double alert, so it's not showing up. Your test is working, but your actual alert when you're on Twitch with your viewers is not working. So what's happening is it's overriding this. So what you want to do is you want to delete all your variations. So I'm not going to delete this because I actually like having this little triangle for my bits, but I'm just going to hit cancel. So when you're actually into your settings right here, you'll see there's follows, there's subscriptions, donations, and what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, open up alert variations right here, and check to see if there's any variations in there. If there's any variations, then you want to delete those. So see, if you look at all mine, there's no variations. Alright guys, I hope that works for you. If you have any other issues with it, I would suggest to completely unlink your account, your Twitch account, YouTube, whatever account that you have linked to Streamlabs, log off, log back in, and relink all those accounts that you have on social media and test those alerts again. If you guys are new to this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you guys have any more issues that you want me to solve. I do stream live on Twitch, link in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.